Hey everyone, it's me Nini and welcome to Remote Philippines Job. And today we have here Karen for our another testimony. But before we proceed to our interview process, Karen, can you first introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Garrett. I'm from Angeles, Pampanga, and I work as a VA for RPJ.
That was great. So what was your role right now?
My role right now is a social media manager or VA. I post in various social media online.
Okay, that was good. So before you apply here in Remote Philippines Job, what kind of work you were doing?
I've been on the BPO since 2006. So I've been in and out of the industry. I'm with customer service. I handled sales. I started my work from home journey 2021.
So sobrang tagal na pala, no? You're perfectly fit for a remote job and like this job kasi tumagal ka eh. Ilang years ata since 2006?
Yes,
I
2006.
was still 5 years old that time. Okay, so how did you first hear about our company?
I saw the post sa online jobs. I was really looking for something na like not much talking. Hindi ako magsasalita, more on chat or like admin roles. And then I saw the post sa online jobs. I tried kahit wala akong masyadong experience when it comes to chat support or email support. And then yun, I've got nakakuha ko ng interview. Sabi ko, tingin na lang.
So what made you decide to apply, especially that there are a lot of scams right now?
Yes, madaming scams talaga. But I took the risk. Nag-risk na lang ako. Sabi ko, I would know naman if this would be a scam. Na-feel ko naman yun once napunta ako sa interview, ganyan. So, okay naman. Maganda nga siya. Parang wala naman akong na-feel na kakaiba during the interview.
So nagbayad ka ba or you just do the application?
No, walang payment. Just, yeah, simple interview lang. Parang normal interview lang. So, kahit English siya, pero like we're talking to a friend lang din.
So can you share with us your interview process and how long does it take for you to start working?
Actually, I went to dalawang interview process. The first one was for the chat support. Madami kaming applicants there. Tapos, ilan na lang kami ata natira sa last part. And then, after a few days, I received a Slack invitation. So, yeah, I joined Slack, ganyan. And then, I still waited for a few days, I think for the schedule and everything. But then, I got another message saying that my skills are more fit for the
Role.
and different role, like yun nga sa SMM nga. So, yeah, I went to another interview. Nakapasa naman. Ngayon, I'm here.
So ilang days specifically? Like it took you ba a week or 2 to 3 days?
No, less than, parang 2 to 3 days lang din. Mabilis lang talaga siya.
And that was great. So where did you start that?
Just this month, actually, like
So
a week ago lang.
congratulations! Your
Thank
new
you.
hire actually.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so happy that you chose the remote Philippines job. So after applying, what does a typical day look like for you as a SMM?
A typical day, it's really different for me right now. So my training is still ongoing for different platforms. So I'm learning a lot. It's a different niche that I want to learn before pa. Tapos sabi ko, yeah, ito na may chance na ako matuto mag-SMM, ganyan. It's another niche for me kasi I've been in sales talaga in customer service before eh. So sabi ko, ito yung intay ko, magkaroon ako ng ibang niche na experience na binigay ni RPJ sa akin yun. So yeah, like every training, I'm taking it in, I'm learning, I'm like sa Slack, I'm reading through like paano sila mag-post, paano sila mag-update. So,
So upon hiring, what can you say about our company's culture? Lalo na beginner ka pa lang and yeah, you said that you learned something new, especially in that kind of niche.
the environment, sobrang welcoming ng mga tao. Sobrang they respond agad. Tapos, mararamdaman mo naman kasi kahit chat lang na that they welcome you.
And they really want to help you because here
Yes.
at Philippines Jobs, one of our goal here is to let anyone feel that we are equal. Even though you don't have experience or bago ka pa lang, gusto namin kasi dito na mag-grow tayo together. And that's is what one of our top priorities right now. How does working remotely change your life? Di ba sabi mo noon nag-work ka as BPO? What would you think would be the difference or even the advantages of working remotely?
Madami siyang advantages actually. I can save money kasi you don't go out. Yung ganyan. I can do housework. So, yun talaga as a mom. Importante yun kasi kapag sa office ka, ganyan, lumalabas ka, trabaho, diba? So,
Do multitasking.
so yeah. Yeah, I do multitasking.
And you can also have your own time kasi mamamanage mo siya eh. And at the same time,
Yes.
it's very, just like what you said, as a mom, you can handle it both well kasi nandiyan ka sa bahay and kahit kahit anong oras pa kaya mo siyang gawin. Do you feel more confident financially or career-wise since you joined or you got hired?
I'll be honest, I haven't got my first pay yet. But I think since I've been working remote since 2021, may financial freedom ka naman kasi talaga. So, you manage your own money, you pay your own like government dues, etc.
And you can really have your own timeline since you are already paid 2 weeks after. So here, I think it's always the 15th and the 1st of the month. So what advice would you give to someone who's scared to try applying? Lalo na't ngayon, here in Remote Philippines Job, we do applications through our social media. So what can you say about that?
Ako kasi apply lang ako ng apply. So, I just sent out application kahit saan pa yan, LinkedIn, OLJ. So, huwag sila matakot. Try nila if they feel na wala namang something weird, go with the application. So, anyway, if you feel something weird, maybe let go na lang din. Then look for another. Basta apply lang na eh.
Yeah, kasi the more you send applications, there are more chances or opportunities that you'll find a job. Okay, so if
Yes.
someone is watching and think legit ba talaga tayo or what we're doing right now, what would you tell them?
Legit siya. It's not, I would say it's really not the normal application process na you exam, ganyan, and then final interview. Hindi siya gano'n. So, super easy niya lang. Parang magugulat ka na lang, ay, hired na pala ako, ganyan. Ganon. So, madali lang talaga siya. Parang you just have to be yourself during the interview. Ayun lang. Kasi ganon lang din naman yung ginawa ko eh. Parang, I was honest with them na I don't have any experience with social media management. Yun pa lang parang, ay naku, baka hindi ako makuha. So, on the same day, I got a message na I'll be joining a training the next day.
At may kasabayan nga tayo, di ba? It's either you take the risk or rather lose the chance. Okay, so
Yes, true.
Karen, thank you so much for your time and I do really learned a lot from you. And I'm so happy talaga na you start working with us and hopefully tatagal ka and you try to help those other applicants na papasok at our next recruitment. Thank you so much and
Thank you.
I hope that you have a good day right now.
Thank you.
Bye-bye!
Bye.